All right, folks. So today we're going to take a look at 7 sites that pay you PayPal money fast. But first, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. I make videos about making money online. Also, you also want to check out my #1 recommendation. There's a link in the video description below for making money online. There, you'll get 2 free websites, free training, free membership, no credit card needed or anything to sign up. So check that out as well. There's a link in the video description below. And all these sites I'm going to show you today, there's links in the video description below for that as well. So let's get right into this, folks. Okay, so first up we have user testing. This is a site. You're going to install an application on your computer, and you're going to videotape yourself actually doing these tests they have on here. You have to qualify for the test. There's a bunch of different tests, and then you get paid anywhere between like $10 usually. $10 is like the starting point for tests. They take about 20 minutes, 30 minutes to do, even less than some of them. And there's also an iPhone app and an Android app for your phone, because they have some of the tests on your phone. This is an example right here of some of the tests. You just test your screener. These are like little things you got to go through to see if you qualify, because they want certain demographics and such. There's a bunch here. There's an iPhone test, iPhone or Android. So basically, you just got to go in and check and see if you qualify for these tests. If you do, then you install this software on your computer, and you're basically be talking while you're taking the tests, because they want you to test out different websites, different things. They're going to ask you questions, and you can watch the video here to see more of it. But basically, you'll be saying, okay, a great experience starts with human insights. And they don't ask you, did this button work, did this point out, or whatever. They're going to ask you different questions and stuff, and you're just going to record your experience, and then you're going to send that to them, and you'll get paid through PayPal, and you get paid weekly. So yeah, pretty cool site. Next couple are exactly like this we have here. Try My UI, pretty much the same thing. You get paid $10 for each test you take. Typically takes about 20 minutes for the tests. So that's pretty good. I mean, it's pretty much the same thing, folks. I won't go into too much detail about every single one here, because they're pretty much the same as the first one. You just give your experience, talk about your experience with it, and you send it to them. Here's the next one, folks. Userlytics. You pay to test websites and apps. This one pays a little bit differently. $5, $10, $15, $20 or other amounts, as much as $90. Expressing your opinion for having fun. So yeah, how it works, just pretty much the same way as before. There's desktops, there's mobile. Pretty cool. So the next one, folks, pretty much exactly the same thing. The rule. Now the reason I'm showing you all of these is it's best to sign up for all of them. That way you have the most opportunity to make money, because you're not gonna, like I said, you're gonna have to see if you qualify for these ones. For example, you may not qualify for them, so and they're gonna ask you questions like, do you do this? Are you the primary buyer of this in your household? Are you this? Are you that? Do you buy, soap at, whatever? And then, those weren't the exact questions, but you know what I'm saying. And then if you don't qualify, it'll pretty much tell you right away if you don't qualify. And if you do qualify, you go through ahead with the tests and you make the money. So pretty cool. So this one's enroll, like I said, and you just same thing basically. Your rewards change the web. This one pays a little differently as well, but they're all a little different, but you want to sign up for all of them. Okay, so for the next one, what was that, 4? So we got 5. We got 3 more, folks. Okay, so the next one up here is QMe. Basically, this is you're going to share your opinion, shop, and search to earn real cash rewards. This is when you shop online. You're going to install this little extension on Chrome or whatever, and then how it works right here. You can take a look at this video and such as that as well. Basically, when you it's a free to browse and obviously mobile as well, but you can earn real cash rewards for sharing your opinion and when you shop and stuff like that. So it's really cool. Like I said, it'll pop up on your web browser, and same thing, you get paid. So it's something worth checking out as well. Again, links in the video description below. All right, so next up is Earnably. This is one of those kind of survey sites where you do you'll get little points and stuff, rewards for turn them into cash and stuff like that. So you can check out this one site as well. Complete offers, get rewards. 5 minutes, 23 points. 5 minutes, it tells you here. You just do all this kind of stuff, and then you get little cash and stuff like that. back rewards. Nothing too crazy, not a lot of money, but whatever. So check that one out as well, folks. All right, and then the next one is My App Aware. Basically, you're just going to do a little testing and reviews of these apps. $1 right honest review, $3 for by playing testing iPhone apps. So pretty cool, folks. You make some money doing that. You can check out more at the site here. Let's go learn more. And yeah, it'll show you all kind of stuff here. Basically, another way to make some money online real quick and stuff like that, folks. So anyways, all right, folks, cool. So there's 7 ways to make some PayPal money. Also, you check out my other videos. I have a bunch of other videos here about making money online. Subscribe to the channel. A few other videos here. Make $100 in an hour. Get paid to listen to music. 7 creative ways to make money online. I got 7 ways to make money on Amazon. Just a bunch of stuff here. So check out the channel. Check out the blog and everything like that. So also, folks, don't forget to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online. Again, you get 2 free websites with that, free training, a free membership. You don't need a credit card or anything to sign up, and you can start making some real good money, passive income, money while you sleep, and just make a full-time career out of it. So anyways, that is all for now, folks. I will talk to you soon.